Hi there. Are you looking for ways to earn money online? Have you heard of virtual assistants? If you haven't, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how you can earn money from virtual assistant work. What is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant, or VI for short, is someone who provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. This could include tasks like email management, social media management, data entry, research, and more. How to get started? To get started as a virtual assistant, you first need to identify your skills and what services you can offer. Consider the tasks you enjoy doing and the ones you have experience with. You can offer services in areas like administrative work, graphic design, social media management, or customer service. Next, you should create a website or social media profiles to showcase your services. You can also join freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to find clients. Finding clients. When you start as a virtual assistant, finding clients may be the hardest part. But don't worry. There are many ways to find clients, such as networking on social media, joining Facebook groups, attending webinars, and more. You can also pitch your services to potential clients directly through email or LinkedIn. Make sure to highlight your skills, experience, and how you can help them with their business. Building your reputation. Once you start working with clients, make sure to deliver high-quality work on time. This will help build your reputation and increase the chances of getting more clients. You can also ask your clients for testimonials or referrals, which will help attract more clients in the future. Setting your rates. Setting your rates can be tricky, but it's important to charge what you're worth. Consider factors like your experience, skills, and the time it takes to complete a task. You can also research what other virtual assistants charge to get an idea of the industry standard. Conclusion. In conclusion, virtual assistants can be a lucrative way to earn money online. With the right skills and approach, you can find clients and build a successful career as a virtual assistant. So what are you waiting for? Start building your virtual assistant business today.